Hello and welcome back to my channel Study and Prepare with me, and today we will discuss Indian Budget 2025. The Indian Union Budget for 2025 to 26 was presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on February 1, 2025. Here is a summary of key highlights and announcements. Main key focus areas: significant changes to income tax slabs under the new tax regime with no tax payable for income up to 12 lakh. Infrastructure development. Continued emphasis on infrastructure spending to drive economic growth, agriculture and rural development measures to boost agricultural productivity and support rural communities. Social sector. Increased allocations for social sector schemes including education, health and women's empowerment, fiscal prudence, maintaining the fiscal consolidation roadmap with the fiscal deficit targeted at 4.4% of GDP in financial year 26. Income tax changes. In the income tax rebate limit increased to 12 lakh, meaning individuals earning up to this amount will have zero tax liability under the new regime. Changes to tax slabs for those earnings above 12 lakh to reduce their tax burden. 75,000 standard deduction available for salaried individuals. Other key announcements: insurance sector foreign investment limit in insurance raised to 100%. TDS rationalization measures to rationalize tax deduction at source provisions. Agriculture new schemes and initiatives to promote agricultural growth and productivity. Education focus on skill development and higher education, including new centers of excellence, women and entrepreneurship, new schemes to support women, SC and ST entrepreneur. Jan Vishwas Bill 2.0 introduction of a bill to decriminalize over 100 provisions. Overall, the budget 2025 aimed to provide relief to the middle class, boost economic growth through infrastructure spending and other measures, support key sectors like agriculture and MSME, maintain fiscal discipline. The budget received mixed reactions, with some praising the income tax relief and focus on infrastructure, while others expressed concern about other areas. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel.